Hi guys, welcome back to another session of Salesforce. In this session of Salesforce, we'll be learning about CRM process. So what does CRM process consist of? So basically CRM process consists of marketing, it consists of sales, it consists of service. What does the marketing consist of? Marketing is nothing but, let's take an example, a small new company which has launched a new product. So how does the new company reach to the customers? It's through marketing. So what does the marketing do? Basically, when it comes to the salesman's perspective, we have something called as campaign, in which we market the product to the customers. So what are the kinds of marketing we have? We have different kinds of marketing. So just for an example sake, let's take physical marketing and digital marketing. So what happens when we market a product? So when we market a product and people get to know our product, and then what happens is that people who are interested, they try to inquiry about our product. Once people started inquiring about a product, what happens is that we get leads. So leads are people who are showing some interest. A person who is showing interest in a product. So what happens when people show interest? There'll be a lot of people who might be interested in product. They come, they inquire about a product, and then finally they'll decide that this product is not for us, or this product is not for me. So people who think that this product is not for me, they'll decline. So people who think that I'm interested in the product, what happened is we'll be converting that lead. So lead conversion happens. Lead conversion. What happens when a lead is converted? So when a lead is converted, we get a contact and an account. So we also get opportunity, but which is not mandatory. So people might be buying a product, might not be buying a product. He might be simply showing some interest towards a product. But what is mandatory is that we get a account and a contact. So let us make a note of it. And it will take opportunity, which is optional. All right. So once people show some interest and they try to purchase the product, we get a opportunity next. So what is an opportunity? And a revenue, when revenue is generated, that's what we called it as an opportunity. So what happens in an opportunity? In an opportunity, we have products. So basically when we have an opportunity is that when we sell a product. So in opportunity, we have product. So one opportunity might have multiple products. I'll make it a little short. As well as one product can have multiple opportunities. So okay, fine. We campaigned our product, a lead is generated, we converted that lead, an opportunity is generated, we generated some revenue, we sold some products. So what next? What next is that order management. So what is order management? Order management is nothing but managing the orders. So people who come first, get the first order, who come last to get the last order. So opportunity order management is linked to contract, because when we sell a product, we sell it under warranty. So basically, warranty is that it comes under contract. So what happens once everything is done? That product we sell something, people might have, some people might be happy, some people might be having some issues. What happens when there is some issue? People raise a complaint. So basically, a case is created. So what happens to a case? When a case is created, you go register something, a complaint. They'll give you an email or a text over your phone stating that your complaint has been registered, and you get your resolution in XYZ time. So what is that? We get a solution for it. So basically, this is what a CRM process is. So let's take a recap about what the whole CRM process about that. CRM process, we're campaigning a product, trying to reach the customers. Once we reach the customers, people who are showing interest, we get some leads. And once we get some leads, we convert that leads, which is called as lead conversion. In lead conversion, we have a contact and an account, which are mandatory. An opportunity is optional. And then when an opportunity is created, is that when revenue is generated, that's when we think that it's an opportunity. So when an opportunity is created, we sell some product. So one product can have multiple opportunities. One opportunity might have multiple products. So once we sell a product, what happens is that order management. Order management is nothing that who gets the product first and who gets the product second. So what happens when the order management happens? When we're selling a product, we'll be selling under warranty. So we come across contract. So while we sell some products, some people might be happy with the product and some people might be facing some issues with the product. When people are facing some issues with the product, what they do is they raise a complaint, which is nothing but a case. So for a case, we will always have a solution. The whole thing in the Salesforce is divided into 3 clouds. So we have marketing cloud, which consists of campaign. We have sales cloud, which consists of leads and lead conversion, opportunity products, order management and contracts. And we have service cloud, which consists of sales and solution. So in the next section, let's take a detailed look into how all this thing works. For today, bye.